Bitcoin stays below $70,000, Ether trades above $3,500. High crypto exchange Bitcoin plans 2025 IPO. Nearly $100 million recovered from hacks in March 2024, report by PeckShield. Tether boosts Bitcoin reserves with latest acquisition. SEC spot Ether ETF concerns unfounded, consensus asserts. Hello and welcome to 3.TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. Virtual digital assets or VDA markets traded sideways ahead of key events that include US employment data, likely intervention from respective policymakers to stabilize yen and yuan, Eurozone inflation data, and the Q1 year earnings release. Bitcoin, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap, hovered near $69,000 crucial levels. Vishakha Thakur joins us to tell us how the global cryptocurrency market is performing today.
IC15 index of cryptocurrencies was trading down by 1.3% at 89,000 points. Interestingly, Bitcoin, the largest crypto by market cap earlier during Asian morning trade, managed to hold $71,000 level. As assumption of ETFs inflows after successfully reversing the recent streak of outflows boosted optimism. In other news, Coinbase Ethereum Layer 2 network base has shattered its trading volume record within a 24-hour on decentralized exchanges, jumping approximately 25% compared to the previous day and surpassing the $1 billion mark. Meanwhile, the US federal court has sentenced ex-FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried to 25 years in federal prison, nearly 6 months after being convicted on a host of fraud charges tied to his role in the implosion of FTX Exchange and Alameda Research trading firm in November 2022. While late pessimism is spilled over broader markets as well. Ethereum, the second largest crypto by market cap, is falling below the $3,600 mark. Meanwhile, the Ethereum network has reached a milestone of 1 million validators, with 32 million Ethereum staked, valued at approximately $114 billion. About 30% of Ethereum is staked using the Ethereum staking pool Lido, a liquid staking platform for proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies. Moving on, Litecoin has surged to the second best performing crypto in the top 100 with a 24% gain over the past 7 days. This surge is attributed to a US Commodity Futures Trading Commission statement that classified Litecoin as a commodity in a lawsuit against KuCoin. While the global crypto market cap was at $2.63 trillion mark, decreasing 1.2% in the last 24 hours. However, the total trading volume increased by 26% to $81 billion. Talking about the NFT sector, Putty Penguins, a top NFT collection, has experienced a remarkable price surge in the last 24 hours, becoming the second largest NFT after CryptoPunk, surpassing other leading NFTs like Bored Ape Yacht Club and Mutant Ape Yacht Club. Moving ahead, DogeCoin, a meme-inspired cryptocurrency, has seen a 20% increase in value this week, indicating growing investor interest ahead of Doge Day on April 20. Large transaction volumes reached $5.29 billion and daily active addresses increased by 13.5% to 199,190. Meme coins led by Solana-based Dogwif had surged, outpacing other niche such as DeFi and exchange tokens. Dog-themed tokens such as Floki Inu and WIF jumped as a beta bet to Dogecoin. WIF flipped Pepe Coin to become the third largest meme token with market cap of $4 billion. While US stock futures rose as Wall Street prepared for the start of the second quarter, futures tied to the Dow Jones Industrial Average gained 0.37%, while S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures increased 0.38% and 0.6% respectively. Bitcoin was trading at $69,580, down by 1%. Ethereum, the second largest crypto, was down by 1.7% to trade at $3,550. If we talk about Binance's BNB token, it was down by 3% to trade at $585. Next on the list, we have Cardano's ADA token. It was down by 2.8% to trade at $0.63. Next on the list, Avalanche AVAX was trading at $52, lower by 2.8%. Polygon Matic was trading down by 2.7% to trade at $0.96. Next on the list, Doge, the popular meme coin, was trading down by 1.8% at $0.20. Next on the list, Shiba Inu was trading down by 6%. Ripple's XRP token traded at $0.61, down by 2.5%. Polkadot was down by 3.3% to trade at $9.3. However, Solana Sol was up by 1.1% and was trading at $198.
Thank you, Vishakha, for your in-depth analysis of the global cryptocurrency market. And now back to the headlines. The owner of Thai crypto exchange Bitcoin Online plans to sell shares to the public next year and is in the process of hiring financial advisors, Bitcoin Capital Group CEO Jirayut told Bloomberg. Thailand's biggest crypto exchange provides about 80% of the Bangkok-based parent's profit and is 9.2% owned by Aspire Innovations. The initial public offering is expected to value the exchange at around 6 billion baht, worth $165 million, Jirayut said. Bitcoin Capital had signaled its intention to sell shares to the public in a 2023 letter to shareholders that didn't give a time frame, Bloomberg said. Nearly $100 million in digital assets stolen in March hacks has been recovered, according to data compiled by blockchain security firm PeckShield. PeckShield said on April 1st that over 30 hacking incidents occurred in March, accounting for $187 million in funds lost. While the losses ran into the millions, 52.8% of the hacked funds were returned. PeckShield said that $98.8 million in stolen digital assets were recovered last month. PeckShield also highlighted the top 5 incidents within the month. The Munchables incident took the top spot in terms of losses in a hacking incident. It was followed by the Curio hack, the Prisma Finance incident, and the NF Prompt hack and the Woofy exploit. Tether, the company behind the Tether stablecoin, acquired 8,888 Bitcoin worth $618 million on March 31st. Following the acquisition, Tether's wallet now holds 75,354 Bitcoin, bought at an average price of $30,305, worth around $5.2 billion, according to on-chain data. The wallet is up over 128% with a current unrealized profit of $2.94 billion, according to CoinStats data. Following the acquisition, Tether is now the 7th largest Bitcoin holder in the world, according to BitInfoCharts data. Binance's Cold Wallet is the largest Bitcoin holder with over 248,597 Bitcoin worth $17.31 billion. The firm said it would invest 15% of its net profit into Bitcoin to diversify the stablecoin's backing assets. Tether's USDT reached a record $100 billion market cap on March 4th, posting a 9% year-to-date growth. Consensus addressed the United States Securities and Exchange Commission's inquiry about potential fraud and manipulation risk related to Ethereum's proof-of-stake system, particularly concerning spot Ether exchange-traded funds. In a comment letter submitted to the regulatory agency, Consensus, the blockchain and Web3 software development company responsible for the popular MetaMask wallet, stated that concerns about fraud and manipulation are baseless. The Ethereum infrastructure firm highlighted Ethereum's advantages: quicker block finality than Bitcoin, a division of responsibilities between proposers and attesters to deter stakeholders, dominance, higher attack cost, penalties for validators' rule violation, and superior environmental sustainability compared to Bitcoin. Consensus highlighted that Ethereum boasts a larger developer community than Bitcoin and it operates on a fully transparent and public blockchain. Consensus urged the SEC to acknowledge Ethereum's superior security features, surpassing those of Bitcoin-based ETFs previously approved by the SEC. Now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update of the buzzing coins of the day.
Let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have Ethereum. The Ethereum network has reached a milestone of 1 million validators with 32 million Ethereum staked, valued at $114 billion. About 30% of Ethereum is staked using Lido, a liquid staking platform for proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies. Validators monitor the network against malicious activities and ensure blockchain security. Users deposit 32 Ethereum and receive a small reward. However, some community members, including venture investor Ivan Westness and engineering manager Peter Kim, expressed concerns about the number of validators. Ethereum was trading at $3,536, down near 3% in the last 24 hours. Next on the list, we have XRP. In 2023, Ripple's XRP order book generated over $583,000 in transaction fees, while Nvidia reported $26 billion in revenues. The XRP token rose by 0.15% to $0.62 within 24 hours, reaching a market value of $34 billion. Nvidia's revenue increased by 265% annually due to increasing demand for artificial intelligence equipment. XRP's price increased by 20% last year, while Nvidia's stock price surged over 241%. In July 2023, Judge Analicia Torres ruled XRP is not a security and proposed $1.9 billion in civil penalties for continued sales. Next on the list, we have DogeCoin. DogeCoin, a meme-inspired cryptocurrency, has seen a 20% increase in value this week, indicating growing investor interest ahead of Doge Day on April 20th. Large transaction volumes reached $5.29 billion and daily active addresses increased by 13.5% to 199,000. The cryptocurrency's market position strengthened, reaching $0.21, albeit still below its all-time high of $0.74. The performance has sparked discussions among traders, particularly following a $250 million Doge transfer to Robinhood trading platform. The meme coin ecosystem is also thriving with the launch of a Doge20, raising over $8 million in its pre-sale phase. Next on the list, we have Litecoin. Litecoin has surged to second best performing cryptocurrency in the top 100 with a 24% gain over the past 7 days. This surge is attributed to US Commodity Futures Trading Commission, also known as CFTC, statement that classified Litecoin as a commodity in a lawsuit against KuCoin. The CFTC declared that KuCoin operated a facility for trading futures, swaps, and leveraged retail transactions involving digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and LTC. The designation allows Litecoin to receive endorsements and integrations without fear of potential SEC enforcement actions. Currently at $110, Litecoin has experienced a 31.7% increase in the last 30 days, making it the second best performing day of the LTC this year. Next on the list, we have DogWifhat. DogWifhat, a meme coin, has reached its third highest valuation among all meme tokens, with a 17% increase against the US dollar and a 435% increase over the past 30 days. It now ranks as the third largest meme coin by market capitalization and 31st across the entire cryptocurrency market. WIF is priced at $4 to $4.3 per unit and has a market capitalization of approximately $4.33 billion. Binance holds the largest share of 108,000 unique addresses, holding around 312 million WIF tokens. WIF's ascent coincides with the significant uptick in meme coin demand and the fourth largest global trading volume.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Ruchi Sharma, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code.